That John Deere wound up tightly, got some smoke letting us know it for sure. All right, Roman machine is modified in class. Tyler Swan, number 2 here tonight. Now, Tyler, the question I get asked most is, what do you do with this message everybody wants to see?
Well, we're man.
What's really unique, you can't run our seat on the inside of the frame anymore, so we have to bring something visually different to the table. The only thing left in that rule was the fender. That's where we went with it. So we're super pleased with the second place finish. We're going to finish second to anybody that happened to be out of bounds. We're thankful for that. I got to thank my dad for giving me the opportunity to I wouldn't be here. Got to thank the good Lord for his safe event, my friends for coming out here, my girlfriend. And honestly, the special thing about Bowling Green is not the pay, it's not the competition. It's backing into the sled, looking to the left and to the right, and seeing all these fans packed in here to watch us spending your hard-earned money because you are coming out here watching horsepower and drinking beer. Well said. Well said. Ronnie Saylor, holy smokes.